Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, the number of lines of symmetry in the following figure is, means what is the number of lines of symmetry in the given figure? Firstly, let us see what is the lines of symmetry. If a line divides a figure into two equal parts such that when the figure is folded about the line, the two parts coincide, then that line is known as line of symmetry. Now, here for the given figure, we can fold it 3 times, means 6 lines of symmetry are there. Means after folding this 6 times, the two parts of the figure coincide. Hence, the given figure has 6 lines of symmetry.